Hi, this is Mr. Kohler, and I'm going to show you guys how to use the triangle, the soil type triangle, and there's going to be an assignment that you'll do where you have to figure out the name of a type of soil. So what you do, an example would be, now remember that the three types of soil, general types, are clay, silt, and sand. Okay? Clay, silt, and sand. So let's say that, and you have to have the percentages to be able to do this. So let's say that there's a soil that's 40% clay, 10% silt, and that would mean that the rest is 50% sand. Now, the way that you use the soil texture triangle is to find one of the percentages. So over here, we see percent clay. Over on this side, percent silt. And on the bottom, percent sand. So we find the 40 here on the clay. And that would be this line right here in the middle. Okay, I will go ahead and fill this in. Okay, so I just drew, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a purple line coming across. Okay, now we go to the 10% silt line. So the 10% silt line, so we find this side, the right side, here's the 10, and I'm going to fill this in all the way. Okay. And 50% sand. So we have 50%, here's the sand on the bottom, and here is the 50% line. Okay, now we see that the three lines intersect right there on the type of soil that says, I kind of wrote over it, so you'll have to forgive me there. That would be sandy clay. So that would be the correct answer for that one. Now let's say we had one that was 20% clay, 60% silt, and that would mean 20% sand. So what do we do? Here we go. Go to the clay line, or the clay side. Here's the 20. That's that line coming across. Silt, 60%. So that's going to be right here. And 20% sand. And I don't even have to go further. The three of them intersect right there. So that would be silty loam. And that is how you use the soil texture triangle. So go ahead, and in the next assignment, you'll be doing exactly what I just showed you.